In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 2 not opening. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you multiple solutions to help you fix any issues attributing to Black Ops 2. This could be the game not launching, the game freezing, stuttering, etc. All that you have to do if you own the game through Steam is to follow my steps and you should be able to get this issue resolved. So first, like I said, if you own the game through Steam, open it up and find Call of Duty Black Ops 2 on your library. You will notice that unfortunately I don't own it at the moment on this account, so I'm gonna be demonstrating the process with the newer Call of Duty title. But don't worry, just follow my steps and you will be able to reproduce them on Black Ops 2. First, right-click the game on your library, go over to Properties and then Installed Files. In here, under the properties of the installed files for Black Ops 2, verify the integrity of the game files. What this is going to do is scan all the files that the game installed on your computer during the initial installation. If it detects that any of them are missing or corrupted, they are going to be reacquired. Now, you will notice that for the newer titles, it is a very lengthy process because they are big, but for Black Ops 2, it shouldn't take too long. If it detects that any of them were missing, like I said, they will simply be re-downloaded, and as long as you don't have any corrupted or missing files, you will be allowed into the game. Now, try opening it up and seeing if it launches. If it still doesn't open, then you can move on to some additional steps. Before that, I would also urge you to try simply reinstalling the game. I know for a lot of people this isn't going to be the best possible fix because they have slow internet connections, but it is also a very straightforward way of fixing any issues attributed to games not launching properly. So consider reinstalling if you have the time. Now, if you don't want to reinstall the game, something that you can do is update the DirectX drivers. Because this is an old game, depending if you've never bothered to download all versions of DirectX, the recommended versions available on the Microsoft website, you could face some issues. It is a very simple process to do, so just go over to Microsoft.com or just look for DirectX and user runtime on Google, and you will be able to run the installer. Just go over, accept the agreement, click next, and proceed. Make sure to untick this so you don't get the bing bar. I'm not going to finish the whole process in this video because I already have DirectX, but you should do it on your own time. Once again, try opening up the game, and if it still doesn't work, the last solution that I have is first, right-click the Windows icon, go over to the Device Manager, and under the Device Manager, you will find Display Adapters. In here, you can see the display adapter, or however you like to call it, your graphics card, video card is going to be listed. So all that you have to do is note down the model of your card and go over to the respective manufacturer's website. So as you can see, I have an AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX. So to acquire these drivers, I have to go to the AMD website, look for Radeon 7000 series, 7900, and then 7900 XTX. If you had something from NVIDIA, just go over to the NVIDIA website instead, click drivers, and then choose this series of cards that you have. They are probably going to be RTX from the GeForce lineup or type if they are very recent. So you can select, for example, RTX 40 series, 4070, and then download the drivers. With the drivers for your graphics card up to date, you should also be able to open the game without any issues. Something else that I would recommend if you don't have a graphics card and you have something like Intel Integrated Graphics is to right-click this and then update the driver from Windows. Otherwise, if you have AMD or NVIDIA, go to their website. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 2 not opening. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.